I have the solution on how to use your gyroscope, your gyro, on PubG Mobile while using your controller, because we know when you use your controller, you put your phone on a stand like this, and then your gyroscope won't work anymore because the application at the moment still don't support it. Make sure you stay till the end of the video because this solution is going to be given away. I'm going to do a giveaway and give 10 or 20 of these parts away. Now let's check what the solution is. So the solution to this problem is this piece. This is actually a piece that you mount on your controller and then you mount your phone right here. And so when you use your controller, you can use your gyroscope on PubG Mobile on your built-in on your phone, the gyroscope that's built in on your phone. You can use it very easy and it's very stable. I'm going to show you how it is when it's mounted right now. The solution is actually very easy. It just costs maybe 10 or 15 bucks. I'm busy right now also building a shop for the review chains channel, so I can put all these accessories that you would need for the gameplay and for the tutorials I make and find them all at one spot very easy. And I'll do it at cheap prices because it's just to help you guys not to get too rich from it. So I'm gonna show you how it is when this thing is mounted right now. So as you can see, it's mounted right now, and if you look closely and you see when I move my controller like this, you see that my screen and my gyroscope is moving and the aim is moving. So it works very good. It's very solid. You can drive those very hard, so your phone doesn't fall off. So it sticks very well, and there's a piece of rubber behind it, so your phone doesn't jiggle and wiggle too much. And as you can see, it works perfectly. It's very easy to play like this, so you have a nice advantage. Don't forget, when you're playing, always to follow the rules of PUBG, of course, when you're playing a big event or something. But this is very handy. And as you can see, I'm playing right now with the PlayStation 5 controller, and this thing is custom for PlayStation 5 controller, but of course it exists for Xbox also. And then you have one like this. As you can see, my controller just fell down. That's something nice I like on the Xbox One. You can put it like this and it just stands there. So that's maybe an improvement we can make on this one. Okay, for the giveaway, I want to give away 10 or 20 pieces of this, depending on how many of you join the giveaway. You can just subscribe and give me a comment down below, and go to our TikTok channel. It's also called Review Chains. Just subscribe and send me a message saying giveaway, and then I'll send 10 or 20 of those, and I'll ask you guys if you need the Xbox One or PlayStation 5 one. Those are the only ones existing at the moment, and I'll send them to you guys because I appreciate all you guys watching the videos. It's nice to make and I enjoy making them for you guys. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, write them down below. This was Review Chains, and I'll see you in the next one.